Hello everyone, my name is Toby, and today we will be unboxing something that I bought on gearbest.com. It is a Motospeed CK888 or 1888, I'm not exactly sure, gaming mechanical keyboard and mouse. So, let's see what's in the lovely EMS Express box. There's the Motospeed logo. CK888. There you go. The camera. There we are. This was the keyboard and mouse bundle, so it comes with... Oh wow. That's V30. That's... Got a nice clicky noise, I really like that. Now, hopefully I selected the right key type so it makes lots of noise. Yay! That's cool. Alright, enough of that I think. Where did I put the mouse? There it is. What's that? Oh, it's a nice side plate thing. RGB backlit mechanical combo. Key life of 50 million, weight 850 grams of the keyboard, cord length 1.8 meters, professional esports players standard equipment. Quick win, avoid fighting game by accident and cut out the desktop. Alrighty. Let's set it up. Let's start it up. That's so cool. There's an epileptic fit coming my way. Five stars. It has a very good clicking noise. It has a very good weight to it, including the mouse, and it's just a very good overall build, and including this backboard bit here. 10 out of 10. Very, very nice keyboard for the money. And the same with the mouse, which slowly changes colour all the time, which is very cool. You can adjust the sensitivity with this button, and got your usual back and forward buttons and click and right click. This is definitely an improvement over my old awful keyboard. The $10 Genius one that sounds like this.